So ways that you can try to protect yourself from being infected are regularly washing your hands, preferably with soap and water, but also hand sanitizers work. And think about scrubbing your hands for at least 20 seconds. Also coughing into your elbow rather than just out. That'll help prevent the virus from spreading to other people. If you think that you might have been exposed to the virus, then staying at home and seeking advice from your GP is the first course of action. One of the ways that we get infected with this virus is we get it on our fingers when we touch our eyes, we touch our mouths, and we touch our noses. So if we can reduce the amount of time, the number of times we touch our face, that's great. And also if we increase the amount of times we wash our hands, that'll also reduce that spread of virus by that route.